Greetings, tech aficionados. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we have something that's going to be a game changer for your laptop or desktop setup. The B3 Big THREE 6-to-1 USB-C Hub HDMI adapter. Prepare to supercharge your connectivity and productivity with this versatile hub that's compact, efficient, and visually appealing. Let's kick things off with the basics. This hub is from B3 Big THREE and comes in a sleek space gray color. It's not just a hub, it's a powerhouse of connectivity. One of the standout features is the aluminum alloy shell, which not only looks premium but also helps dissipate heat efficiently. Plus, it's built to last, giving you peace of mind. And speaking of peace of mind, you'll enjoy a generous 24-month warranty with this hub. Now, let's talk about connectivity. This hub boasts a total of 7 ports, including 1 HDMI port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, 1 USB-C port with power delivery support, and even slots for both SD and TF cards. It's a true all-in-one solution for expanding your laptop or desktop's capabilities. Here's where it gets exciting. All these hub ports can work simultaneously. Whether you need to transfer data, charge your devices, or connect to external displays, this hub has got you covered. It's small in size but mighty in functionality. Now, let's talk about aesthetics. The B3 Big THREE USB-C hub comes with 6 touch-controlled lighting modes, including Symphony, Flowing, Breathing, and 3 solid colors. You can personalize your desktop setup to match your style, making your workspace truly yours. Operating this hub is a breeze. You can turn it on, off, and adjust the volume smoothly with a single, easy-to-use knob. No complicated controls or settings to worry about. And when it comes to compatibility, this hub is a plug-and-play dream. It comes with a USB cable and a 3.5mm audio cable, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including tablets, monitors, laptops, televisions, and desktops. No need for drivers, it just works. In summary, the B3 Big THREE 6-to-1 USB-C Hub HDMI adapter is your passport to enhanced connectivity and productivity. It offers a sleek design, powerful performance, and versatile compatibility. That's it for today's review, tech enthusiasts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews that keep you in the know. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.